How you are, my dear subscriber, my dear viewers. I have many prayers for you. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Hello friends, in this video I will show you the new art of fashions of new nails, designing, makeup, our dresses, shoes, rompers for girls, men's, women's. Hope this video is useful for you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. So dear viewers, in this video you will see the stylish, most beautiful, attractive new fashions of all around the world. Also you will see the hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas about fashion, dresses, shoes, makeup. All dresses are very awesome, very beautiful, and all the styles are very perfect for you. You can easily buy it from any online store. If you want to like my channel, please subscribe our channel. My dear friends, I always try to be useful dresses, arts, new fashion for you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, family members. Today I will be showing you the worldwide best fashion. So my friends, please watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today you can see the different stylish fashion of men, women and ladies in this video. Please my friends, watch my video till the end and never missing any designs of any ideas of about my video. Also don't forget to clicking the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will see all the notification of my latest videos. I want to tell you that I am not selling the product of any dresses, fashion, makeup. It is only made for you video. This video friends, support me and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video you will see the amazing new dresses, ideas, fashion, gorgeous looking fashion, the brand fashions of design, different styles of dresses. You can wear these dresses on parties, wedding fashions, informal functions. These dresses will be available on any online store. You can buy it easily from any online store. Friend, in this video I will show you the best and new ideas about my fashion. So friends, watch my video till the end and so beautiful trending fashions. If you can wear these types of dresses, fashion, looking yourself in the mirror, I promise you cannot stop yourself to telling about, oh, I'm looking so pretty, so beautiful. These dresses are specially for you guys. Please buy it and wear it. I always try to my best to something new for you. These dresses are looking very beautiful, gorgeous and attractive for men, women, ladies, kids. You can see different styles of dresses for 2023 to 2024. You can wear these dresses in official parties, in formal functions, all the stylish and trending dresses and also the new kid styles. It's very awesome dresses and ideas of new fashion. I would like to introduce about my channel. In my channel I will give you the new trending dresses ideas for ladies, men, women, which is about the latest trending dresses ideas of all around the world that make your personality more charming and attractive. If you are a fashion lover looking for this video and trending dresses ideas, then this is place for you. So friends, sit back, relax and let us help to find the perfect to do for big event like